Good job, Madeline. You share with Sophia? What do you have there?
Egg.
Egg? What's the yellow part called?
Humba.
No, remember we just said it. What's the yellow?
Yolk.
Yes, yolk.
Sophia. Yolk. Right?
Oh, she wants some, Madeline. Good girl, good sharing. Let her take a bite. She looks like she's really reaching. Why don't you get closer? She likes it. Yay, Sophia. Let her chew that one.